First Seacoast Bank is a community bank headquartered here in Dover, New Hampshire. We also have offices in Portsmouth, Rochester, Barrington, and Durham. Been around since 1890, so for over 130 years. Our Portsmouth branch is located here on Woodbury Avenue in the same plaza as Whole Foods. I sit here in our Portsmouth office along with my colleagues in mortgage lending, another colleague in commercial lending. Downstairs we have our branch team led by branch manager Charlie Day. The Small But Mighty Business of the Year Award is an important award. It's an important award for us because as a community bank we recognize that small businesses are an integral part of our community here on the Seacoast. Congratulations to the New Hampshire Art Association as the recipients of the Small But Mighty Business of the Year Award.
New Hampshire Art Association is a membership organization that helps support over 350 artists. We also have education programming to help artists advance their careers, and we have exhibitions and events that are free and open to the public. So our headquarters is located here at 136 State Street in Portsmouth. This is where we have all of our major exhibitions, and we have a section of the gallery dedicated towards our artist curated shows. But we also have a satellite gallery in Dover at the Art Center, in Concord at the Concord Chamber of Commerce, and we do pop-up exhibitions with partners in Manchester. So we have a really unique footprint in our historic building, which we use to host a variety of exhibitions. Over there we have our main gallery where we host our competitive juried exhibitions as well as our group shows. Here we're in the East Gallery where this is our premier gallery space for artist curated exhibitions. And artist curated means that the artist gets to pick what art is on the wall. And this is a really important part of NHAA programming because we provide mentorship on exhibition design, how to write about your work, and how to present your work to the public to the best effect. I'm very excited to announce that the New Hampshire Art Association has changed its jury process. In the past, we had new member jurying twice a year in the fall and the spring. And now with this new change, we're accepting applications year-round, and the process will be done digitally using our website. This change was made in order to give greater accessibility to the artists. And this change will allow parents and artists who are working and have other jobs to participate in more of our events and become a member. NHAA believes that an organization's capacity to reflect and respond to the rich diversity of our society profoundly impacts its ability to fulfill its mission, vision, and values. Accordingly, we are committed to fostering, cultivating, and preserving a culture of diversity, equity, and inclusion, both internally and in partnership with our members and the community we serve. In order to keep all of our exhibitions free and open to the public and also work on these important community collaborations, NHAA depends on donations from sponsors and members of our community. We love giving back to our community through these events, and we depend on you to help support us. It means so much to the New Hampshire Art Association to be recognized by the Chamber Collaborative with the Small But Mighty Award. It really shows that NHAA is truly in this cycle of rebirth, and we are growing and transforming our organization to serve more artists and our community at large.